Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn off the sound effects on your X platform, so on Twitter. It's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your mobile device and go down to the X platform. Now from out here you see your current feed, and sometimes when you like a post or are in spaces, for example, you get weird sound effects. Now we can easily turn this on or off by going to the top left corner where your profile picture appears, and from out here go down to the settings and support. Now here open up the settings and support again, and what you want to do, you want to scroll all the way down till you see the accessibility, display and language settings. Now here you go to display and sound, and as you can see here we have the sound option. Now how to turn this on or off, it's very easy. Use the lever and change it to be grayed out. Now you don't have to actually save this, it will be saved automatically. If you want to turn them back on, simply push the lever and the sound effects are back on. It's easy as that. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.